Welcome to KK Experiments. Union Public Service Commission, all state public service commissions and all competitive examination bids on the topic of UCCN. Now come to the first question. UCCN full form and formed year. Option A, UNESCO Creative Cities Network 2004. Option B, UNESCO Cities Central Network 2014. Option C, UNESCO Creative Central Network 2004. Option D, UNESCO Creative Cities Network 2014. Now choose the correct answer. The answer is in option A, that is UNESCO Creative Cities Network 2004. Now come to the second question. How many Indian cities are placed in UCCN? What are they? Option A, 5 cities: Hyderabad, Rajasthan, Chennai, Mumbai and Srinagar. Option B, 5 cities: Hyderabad, Rajasthan, Varanasi, Chennai and Mumbai. Option C, 6 cities: Hyderabad, Mysore, Varanasi, Chennai, Mumbai and Srinagar. Option D, 6 cities: Hyderabad, Rajasthan, Varanasi, Chennai, Mumbai and Srinagar. Now choose the correct answer. The correct answer is in option D, that is 6 cities: Hyderabad, Rajasthan, Varanasi, Chennai, Mumbai and Srinagar. Now come to the third question. What are the unique things to get the place in UCCN? Option A, only craft and folk art. Option B, especially media arts and film designing. Option C, gastronomy, literature and music. Option D, all the above. Now choose the correct answer. All the above is the correct answer, option D. Now come to the fourth question. Based on what type of unique criteria the Indian cities are placed in UCCN? Option A, craft, folk art, media arts, film designing, gastronomy, literature and music. Option B, craft, folk art, film designing, gastronomy and music. Option C, craft, folk art, media arts, literature and music. Option D, craft, folk art, media arts, gastronomy, literature and music. Now choose the right answer. The right answer is in option B, that is craft, folk art, film designing, gastronomy and music. Now come to the fifth question. Match the following UCCN Indian cities by their specific unique criteria. These are the cities: Hyderabad, Rajasthan, Varanasi, Chennai, Mumbai and Srinagar. These are the specific unique criteria: craft, folk art, media arts, film designing, gastronomy, literature, music. Now match the following correctly. Hyderabad is unique for gastronomy. Rajasthan is unique in craft and folk arts. Varanasi and Chennai are unique in music. Mumbai is unique in film designing. Srinagar is unique in craft folk art. Now come to the sixth question. Which Indian city placed in 2021 UCCN list and selected by which unique criteria? Option A, Rajasthan for craft and gastronomy. Option B, Bangalore from film designing and gastronomy and music. C, Srinagar for craft and folk art. Option D, Varanasi for literature and media arts. Now choose the correct answer. The correct answer is in option C, that is Srinagar for craft and folk art. Now come to the seventh question. Out of 7 unique criteria, 6 Indian cities are placed on 5 unique criteria. Then what are other 2 unique criteria? Option A, literature and media arts. Option B, film designing and gastronomy. Option C, craft and folk art. Option D, literature and film designing. Now choose the correct answer. The correct answer is in option A, that is literature and media arts. Now come to the eighth question. What are the reasons behind the creation of UCCN? Option A, to specify the brand imaging for particular cities for their uniqueness. Option B, to develop the other urban areas based on UCCN. Option C, to interlink, promote and cooperate among the cities around the world by their uniqueness. Option D, all the above. Now choose the correct answer. All the above is the correct answer, that is option D. Now come to the ninth question. How many cities are identified in 2021 and total number of cities in UCCN? Option A, 49 cities and 295 cities. Option B, 49 cities and 246 cities. Option C, 47 cities and 295 cities. Option D, 47 cities and 246 cities. Now choose the correct answer. The correct answer is in option A, that is 49 cities and 295 cities. Now coming to 10th question, last question. What are the cities are nominated by Indian Ministry of Culture for UCCN in 2021? Option A, Kolkata, Guwahati, Indore and Srinagar. Option B, Mysore, Gwalior, Indore and Srirangapatnam. Option C, Kolkata, Gwalior, Ernakulam and Srinagar. Option D, Kolkata, Gwalior, Indore and Srinagar. Now choose the correct answer. The correct answer is in option D, that is Kolkata, Gwalior, Indore and Srinagar. Thank you.